Hello, and welcome to this session on Learning Outcome 1, being able to identify research problems and formulate research objectives. In this session, we'll dive into the world of research proposals and dissertations, exploring how to turn an initial idea into a clearly defined research problem. This video will guide you through the key concepts, processes, and structures essential for developing a strong and coherent research proposal. You'll learn how to understand key research terminologies, formulate precise and achievable research objectives, and establish a clear direction for your study. By the end of this session, you'll have a solid foundation for designing a research proposal that demonstrates critical thinking, academic depth, and methodological clarity. Data refers to measurements of records of facts made under specific conditions. A hypothesis is a tentative assumption of the study or expected results. The independent variable is what the researcher manipulates, also called the experimental variable. The dependent variable is the effect of the independent variable. Population includes all subjects meeting the criteria for the research. A sample is a subset of the population considered for data collection. Critical review involves evaluating existing literature on a topic. A research proposal is a formal preparation including introduction and literature review. A dissertation report is the complete research report following university guidelines. Understanding these terms is crucial for your research journey. Research is about finding out things you did not know in a systematic way. Methodology is the philosophical framework of the research. Research methodology details methods, strategy, and design, justifying choices. It highlights practical applicability to specific research. This foundation is essential for conducting thorough research. The introduction includes the background study and research rationale. It outlines aims, objectives, and research questions. If quantitative, it includes the research hypothesis. This chapter sets the stage for your entire proposal. It is essential to establish a clear foundation for your research. The literature review covers academic theories and critical reviews. It includes a conceptual framework. This chapter evaluates existing research and identifies gaps. It provides context for your study. Understanding the literature is key to developing your research questions. The methodology chapter explains the research onion and its components. It identifies sampling techniques and sample size. Data collection techniques are justified here. It also covers data analysis methods and ethical considerations. This chapter is crucial for outlining your research process. This chapter provides an overview of data collection. It discusses demographic data using figures and tables. Quantitative data involves statistical analysis like regression. Qualitative data uses thematic analysis. The discussion compares findings with academic literature. The conclusion summarizes the entire dissertation. It includes key findings and research objectives. Recommendations are based on research findings. Limitations of the study and future work scope are discussed. This chapter wraps up your research proposal effectively. The research process begins with deciding on a research title. Good titles give a clear idea of the research. Examples include assessments of employer branding and service quality. A common mistake is starting with an impressive title. Start with objectives to ensure efficient use of time. The background study introduces the research topic. It includes literature on how the topic has evolved. For example, Islamic finance as an alternative to traditional finance. This section familiarizes readers with the topic. It provides an overview without going into depth. This section explains why you chose the topic. It includes arguments like pursuing practical implications. Identifying research gaps is crucial. Conflicting arguments or lack of research are addressed. Emerging areas of research are also considered. Formulating research aims and objectives is vital. It determines the scope, depth, and direction of research. Common mistakes include choosing broad topics. Unrealistic aims and incompatible methods are pitfalls. Clear objectives guide your research effectively. Research objectives should be specific and realistic. Examples include assessing employer branding relevance. Another is studying service quality impact on satisfaction. Objectives guide literature review and analysis. They ensure focused and efficient research. Consider a study on the impact of brand equity. Objectives include assessing branding's marketing role. Analyzing factors impacting consumer purchase intention is another. Investigating brand equity's impact on Samsung's purchase intention is crucial. Recommendations to Samsung for brand promotion are also included. Research questions guide the study of brand equity impact. They explore branding's role in marketing products. Factors influencing mobile phone purchase intention are analyzed. The impact of brand equity on Samsung's purchase intention is questioned. Recommendations for Samsung's brand promotion are also considered. Starting with a title is a common mistake. An impressive title may not reflect research objectives. Phrasing for appeal rather than substance is another issue. This can lead to unmet dissertation standards. Efficient time use requires starting with objectives. Good research titles convey the study's essence. Examples include employer branding's relevance assessment. Service quality's impact on customer satisfaction is another. The impact of working capital management during the pandemic is crucial. These titles reflect clear research objectives. The background study introduces the research context. It highlights the topic's evolution over time. Islamic finance as a traditional finance alternative is an example. This section provides topic familiarity and relevance. It sets the stage for deeper exploration. Identifying research gaps is crucial for study relevance. It involves recognizing unaddressed areas in literature. Conflicting findings in different markets are examples. Emerging research areas like shared economy are also considered. This ensures your research contributes meaningfully. Ethical considerations are vital in research methodology. They ensure the study respects participant rights. Data collection and analysis must adhere to ethical standards. Informed consent and confidentiality are key aspects. Ethical research upholds integrity and trustworthiness. In conclusion, this exploration has highlighted the fundamental elements of research proposals and dissertations. From understanding key terminologies to recognizing the importance of ethical considerations, each component plays a vital role in shaping robust and credible research. Equipped with this knowledge, you are now prepared to undertake your research journey with clarity, confidence, and a structured approach. Should you have any queries, kindly contact UKiversity on 07484 361,688. Many thanks for your attention, and see you in the next class.